Those were the really good ones. Some over there would be nice too. Oh, there's a little something. Looks like a doggone UFO. Oh, it's blurry. 2022 wasn't a bad year. It was really too good to me, honestly. I was lonely, but I didn't go without seeing all my family members. You know, I didn't have to work my ass off. Very thankful for that. 2022 was too good to me. And that's being optimistic, because a lot of shit happened. That was awesome. That was cool. That one was worth it.
Yeah.
A nice blue one. Oh, there's some more. Oh, there's one. There's a couple. I'll zoom out. Heck yeah. Now we're talking. Happy New Year 2023. Is that it? There might be more. It's gonna be an all-night thing down here in Jacksonville. Off in the distance. Gotta turn my brightness down. There you go. Right under the palm trees. Hopefully. Oh, that one was a nice little red and blue one. Oh, hopefully. It's too bad I got the
We got the whole
brightness
go right
problem.
around. Spinning a circle.
Having a problem focusing and everything.
Should have this down by now.
Well, it's pushing buttons.
I think we're done. We missed a lot of them.
Yeah, we did. I hear them, but I don't see them. Gotta take the freaking brightness down. Alright, let's see. Is that it?
Oh.
That might be it. Oh, but I got a good blue one. Some red ones, some pink ones. I'm happy with that. Oh, nice. I caught that one. It's always a fun little...
There's a long pause there.
They're reloading? Alright. In between, you just have to deal with my boring commentary.
Gunshots.
Yeah, it's how do you deter, like, fireworks from gunshots? This is the perfect time to have a massacre. All in good fun, I
I think
guess.
those ones are done.
Oh, lit up the trees. Nice. Nice. Having a problem getting them all. This freaking palm tree's in the way. Ah, nice. What do you think? Should I put this on the YouTubes?
I don't know.
We'll have to go over the footage. Nice red one. Ooh, that one would have been nice. I like when they're super concentrated in color. Just the yellow ones, they're kind of common. Oh, coffee and wine's not a good combination for frozen pizzas. I got it. Nice green one. Red.
Street light.
Yeah. I don't know where that one was. Shot heard round. That's a 4th of July, I think. I think that's gonna have to pause until the next one. That one was loud and big, and I almost missed it. I didn't. We got it. I mean, fireworks aren't that rare. It's not like... I think you missed the president driving by. Slimbo. We're gonna have to pause it. Well, that concludes the fireworks show for New Year's 2023. Everybody have a good year. This is Roy Browski on the Lori's Lounge Show. Good night and good morning.